Hey my lovey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you an update of the DJ ZINHLE Peruvian MBALI Peruvian wig that I got a couple of months ago. I can't remember how many months ago. But it's just a couple of months ago. I promised you guys an update, so today is the day. Today I'm back with an update, guys. So I made a video last time where I was reviewing the hair Majesty by DJ ZINHLE MBALI Peruvian wig that I bought. So today I'm back. I know I promised you a update, and this is the update that I'm giving you today. So guys, this is the hair that I purchased. This is the MBALI hair that I'm wearing, as y'all can see. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a review right now. So this wig, guys, the wig is still intact. As you guys can see, I have no issues with the wig at all. The wig is still in good condition, but one thing that I'll say about the wig, guys, is the wig tends to lose the curls a bit quicker, but it's not bad. So these wig curls will last you, I think, 7 days tops, but you always need to define the curls maybe every 4 to 5 days, but it can last you 7 days tops. So yeah, the wig, I think it's not a big problem. I think the problem is because, not a problem, but I think it's because the wig is a Peruvian wig. As you guys know, Peruvian wigs are more what can I say, light and airy, if that makes any sense. They're not like Brazilian wig. I don't know how to explain them, but they're very light and they lose our curls very quickly. So that's what you need to keep in mind. But otherwise, the wig is still intact, guys. I know you guys saw the drama that I saw a couple of days ago on TikTok. Yes, I saw the drama, and I know you saw the drama, guys, and I know you did. But I'm happy with my purchase. I'm still happy even today with the purchase, even though, like, from the last video I told you guys my cons, my disadvantages of the wig, but I still am in love with the wig even today. But like I say, you need to always define the curls, and you need to wash your wig as though you would wash your own hair, if that makes any sense. But the wig is in good condition. The curls, yeah, they drop just a little bit, but yeah, as far as shedding, actually I'll stop talking, then I'll show you guys how I define my curls. I'm not sure how other girls do it, but how I define my own curls, and then I'll show you. You'll see the shedding by yourself, because I don't want to say something and then I lie, or maybe you experience it different and then I say something that you might not experience, then you think maybe like shy, but it's not really the case. So I'm going to I have my spray bottle, and I also do have my Denman brush. So I'm going to try to define the curls in front of you guys and show you that the wig is still giving, guys. The wig is still giving, the wig is still delivering, okay? The wig is still beautiful. I still have not plucked the wig. That's a story for another day, guys. I feel like I'll pluck it maybe as it gets a bit old, but I still I'm okay with how it looks right now. I feel like it still looks natural like this, even though it's not plugged, because I did, like I say, if you didn't watch my video, go and watch my last video that I posted. I did purchase this wig, and I did add a few hundreds because they said you need to pay, I think, 350 rands for customization. I did pay, but unfortunately they didn't plug the wig. I'm not really sure if it's a problem with them not knowing how to plug, or they forget because of high traffic, but yeah, it could be one of the two. Because guys, if you see what ZINHLE, like, she'll be laid, like her wigs are laid, she is laid. But I don't know, because a lot of people, they're complaining about the customization. I'm not really sure if they know how to customize or they just forget because of high traffic. But in terms of my experience, as far as the quality, I love the quality, and I do understand that girl that was trending on TikTok that said she wasn't satisfied with with the service and everything. I do understand where she's coming from, and I also do understand where the brand is coming from, but I think the brand should take this and say, you know what, this is a very constructive criticism and we're going to do better. Because I know when you're starting a business, when it's small, it's easy to manage, but as it grows, guys, so shit happens. Excuse my French. Like, things happen, and yeah, so Mina, I've not experienced that much of the negativity, but I did receive my wig unplugged, so things happen. But so one thing that I want to tell you guys is this wig, if the curls drop, it becomes longer. I don't know if you guys can notice. I'll try to insert clips from my last video. If you don't want to go back and then watch my video, it's fine. I'll try to insert a few clips of that video so that you see the difference. It gets longer when the curls drop, so yeah, but the wig is still beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and define the curls and show you guys the results. Okay, so this is the spray bottle. Put just a dime size of oil in the water, but you don't have to do this because the oil will weigh down your hair. So I just put just a drop, guys, just a drop. So this is what I do. I spritz the water on my hair. And one thing, guys, you need to take care of this wig because, like I said, it's Peruvian. You need to put it away in a very safe place because it freezes. As y'all can see, this side compared to that side, it tends to freeze. So take care of your wigs, guys. Take care of your wigs. Some curls are popping. Yeah, take care of your wigs, guys. I think Her Majesty has released bags, your wig storage bags that you can use to put away your wigs. If you cannot afford, or maybe they come with the wig, I'm not sure, but I saw the same bags at Scarlet Hill Mr. Price, so you might want to go and grab them before they run out of stock. Woo! My arm, such a minute. Okay. Oopsie. Wow. Wow. Ooh. So I'm going in with my mousse, and I'm using my fingers to define the curls. And I feel like sometimes you don't even need a brush or a comb. You can just use your fingers. You can just use your fingers, guys. So this is the amount of shedding that I'm getting. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, so far. Let me use a brush for the purpose of the vid. So start from the ends to the roots. I don't really brush much or comb much, but to minimize the shedding, guys, I think just use your fingers. Okay guys, I just finished cleaning off the brush and my hands, and this is the amount of shedding that I got. I hope you guys can see. I don't know if you can see, guys. Yeah, I think you can see this is the shedding that you get when you are defining or brushing the hair. I mean, there's a few strands on the brush, but I don't think I can get them out. But guys, you see, this is my brutally honest review of the Hair Majesty MBALI Peruvian wig by DJ ZINHLE. Okay, so this is the shedding, guys. This is the shedding. This is the shedding that I got. So I recommend this wig in particular, guys. Don't say I recommend I recommend this wig in particular. I recommend because it's the only wig that I got anyways from Hair Majesty. So yeah guys, the wigs are beautiful. I think that was a mistake. That was an honest mistake, or hopefully it was a genuine mistake. I can't speak for them. We might just speak for them anyways, but I think that was an honest mistake. You can try them out. Maybe try with the curly wigs like myself. I'm also skeptical when it comes to the straight wigs, because if it that video that I saw, I think I'll stick to the curly wigs concerning their brand, and then if I want a straight wig, I'll go to someone else, or maybe I'll change my mind in the future, or maybe I'll try it out and then I'll come back and share my experience with you guys. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next video. See you soon. Please look out for a video that I'm about to post very soon. I guess this week or next week. But yeah, I'm dropping another video that you might be interested in. So thank you so much for your support, especially on the previous video. Thank you so much. Keep on watching, keep on liking, keep on sharing, keep on commenting. Well, I have to go. That's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching once again. Bye.